let's take it home though. The ASX 200, where are we sitting comparatively speaking? Because of course we haven't seen quite the drawdown in local stocks as we have internationally, but by the same token too, we haven't quite had or didn't quite have the same run up. Where are you looking at right now with some key levels on those charts?
So the ASX has sped up its decline. We were on the show a few weeks ago talking about key levels, and we spoke a lot about the 7,000. Unfortunately, we got through that, and that's led to this incredible sell-off at this point. We were sitting at the midpoint. I've put the blue line where we were on the show just a few weeks ago. And that 7,200 was the middle. It sold off that area, and then we got through 7,000. Now we're back to a 38.2 Fibonacci pullback of the 2020 lows all the way to now. This does tend to be one of the stronger Fibonacci pullbacks. This is an area where often you do see some technical support coming in. Obviously, trying to predict the bottom here in the ASX is going to be very, very difficult, but the sell-off has really sped up because this is not just a technology sell-off like we saw through February, March, and those months. This is now hitting metals. This is now hitting, which we'll look at later, it's hitting energy. It's going through all the sectors, and this is a broad-based sell-off due to real concerns in the markets. So 38.2, this is the first technical support we've seen in this drop since 7,000. And then the next level would be somewhere around that 50% fib, which would put us into a 6,000. I'm sure many Australians out there that are watching this right now would hope that doesn't happen. But at this point, yeah, it's probably the time. We've got quadruple witching, which is the biggest options expiration every quarter happening in the US. So if it's going to support itself, it's going to need the lead from the US. And again, we're at the mercy of that market at the moment.